Vothat Langso Cooperative Lamps begins distribution of NFSA rice under Duar Amla constituency. A very good morning to all the viewers who's watching the news right now. You're with Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. To ensure that no family remains hungry when almost all sources of earnings are closed due to the pandemic, the Vothat Langso Cooperative Lamp Society had started to distribute rice to the poor families of Duar Amla MSC constituency through the NFSA scheme. On Wednesday, rice was distributed to people under 5 polling stations of the constituency. Local leaders informed that the rice distribution drive is being carried under the advice of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang and MP Horan Singbay. Among the local leaders who were present to supervise the distribution work were Vothat Langso Lamp Secretary Monus Ronghang, Social Worker Lipson Bay, Sarsing Timung, Edison Qatar, Amor Hansi and others. In this pandemic, huge numbers of families are facing scarcity of food items at home. There are people facing joblessness and are under extreme difficulties to support their family. At this point of the time, the NFSA rice distribution is a great relief for hundreds of families. And keeping in view of these hardships faced by the poor families, KACCM and MP issued instruction to the local leaders to ensure that every single family gets the benefit of the scheme. There should be no disparity among the people in the name of political allegiance.
Non illegal Vothat Langso that cooperative lamp society long sidolo the person sinon lockdown ke do ko jok hawara da tomo khanje la person si kitolong le kidum long le kidu ke song kan yo gri pan MP Horan Singbay la pen CM Tuliram pen khata teng pen da lamp satom la person si pini arong sang rom dam lo atala bang so long pini da website kan nang ko khai le sam de sitame na bang so sang rom long lang chari dun si adon tin la tan tin sitame long rap nang jitu kan so kalang sitame te padu kan arong pini lang nung sila bang so sang rom long lang listam be patang eji phan pini bidi sore la khatu ko listam le tham don le simani li gidol ke dak lem solong lo la sinon le bang so lang parda ku thata chini ji phan to ma khai le som be phan le to mar tu kona pinyang le tom pi bhasi la bang so sang rom phon ikla
la corona non la pandemic akiso pen munitum hempen nang ulai long le delo la so kiso pen ke chere di ke chingre je phat la se hem se dok le munitum la se la so phutha geli tum phan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council la CM Tuliram Ronghang la pen MP Horan Singbay na pen khata teng pen dak mili tum han additional la sang nang le lo phan ke ron je phan la si non additional rice card holder non card holder la ini atum hadat kilo
lin konan la bang so sang pini ron ponang le to
la don pen link cap de ponik lo
tang ne pini tong la card do tum phan pen la card ke thanda pi pon rapet ma
pini bangge card ka tum hansi ron ponik lo
tang de mentu la card do than mangi pi pon
card ke do tum bang ke dealer tum long sa sang lo pini lang litum dak lamps sang se pon lo pena lang litum ki pi pang chek
bha iglo la bang so sang le tum ron pon ke
la pini nitum la so sang ron pon bang ke la nitum non la lockdown COVID-19 na bhase ase inut pen bang kali don pen din ket ke biasa tame sabab tame ni kon
tang te la bang so sang ke ron BPL tum phan chon ma de BPL ka be han ta pi pa
la so sang ron bini vet ke ron pon bang ke card ka ve tum pha card do tum han kali card ke do tum han kali
Social Worker Lipson Bay told our correspondent that the NFSA rice are being provided to those families having no ration card so that they do not get deprived. On the other hand, the ration card holders will be provided with additional rice against their cards free of cost. The distribution, which started on Wednesday in the 5 polling station area, will continue till it covers all other polling stations. Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. A day after PMAYG beneficiary of Majgaon in Phelangpi alleged that contractor withdrew the last bill without his knowledge, contractor Sankar Das clarified that the house was completed and that last bill cannot be withdrawn from the bank if the house is not complete. This stated in a press conference held on Wednesday. Contractor Sankar Das has rejected the allegation of swindling money made against him by PMAYG beneficiary Fikumala of Majgaon. During a press conference, contractor Das informed that Process for withdrawal of third installment was arranged during the second phase, during which beneficiary's signature was obtained and got it signed on third installment check to avoid the facilitator from being denied their dues, as it was seen in past that several beneficiaries would refuse to release money to them, believing that the third installment money that are credited in their accounts as surplus fund and belongs to them. Contractors say that on many occasions, they themselves take the risk by purchasing all construction materials needed for completion of the house in advance for the smooth completion of the house without any interruption. The contractors say that if the beneficiary's house is not completed, then any charge or allegation against him would be valid or acceptable. He further informed that the stated beneficiary's house was constructed under great difficulty as 4 cement bags, sand and wooden planks were stolen as it was kept in someone else's house, as the beneficiary's house and the PMAYG house was constructed at different place.
Facilitator cement, Hikua Mala cement bali, Cylinder cement bali, Santi bali. Facilitator se katu Kurunjam, Hemtam Tactics, Director and Law, Hempetang Law, Tanda Rabi Ahin, ini tu pun dia facilitator mana, lagi facilitator apa? Not lab loss ke facilitator, mungkin loss pulta beneficiary bang tak ni. Hemptam beli, Hempetang dia ampare cement hadari ikan ahem ke helucer mat cement bang ahem city lo cement sari pe pas pe wir lo santi wir lo sampai kita wir ne hadara hai sab le lo sampai theki setting hai sab bang amat ave pilo la hai se kame modification data hem bang petang de lo clear sada de lo compression de lo datang ke hafta lo Tapi alang yang cemala itu tanya fungsi, nanda aja user lo, people lo, hembang tang bello lagi, media tu dah kekang lo.
Mohan Teron's report from Pelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. A day after incident of theft was reported from Nilip, similar incident took place as unidentified miscreants entered Nilip Lam's storeroom and office on Tuesday night under the Chokhihola police station. Our correspondent has sent us this report. This Nilip Lam's office is located near Nilip Block office and is also not very far away from CRPF camp. According to the Nilip Lam secretary Roland Inti, the thieves entered all Lam's office rooms and storeroom to look for money, but could not find any but have stolen rice from the store. Further, he informed that though rice was stolen, the quantity could not be verified at the moment as there are huge numbers of rice bags inside the store. Nilip Lam secretary Roland Inti, however, stated that the incident has been reported to the Chokhihola police station and expresses hope that anyone involved in this incident would be arrested by the police.
Dah ke jomhu pipi ni ke pon lah bagai nama permana oleh officer proses jomhu he, lapen sang ke pon dah sapi ni, jadi tu sang jor bomo pon, pasal sang lah jor era pisah hisab longi, ansi kamu he bagi pon pe bagi ansi hisab long cini pun.
Nanti lah so kan hu bertak nanti tu polis tu pan luar orang man pacini long.
Pacini long lah. Polis ada pang long, polis tu long, nang cek long. Masih itu tahu pun.
Nanti lah, so kan hutum ke suspek meme, nanti tu kimantiram doma, mana tu mana nak hilang, selera tu muson mana cibohong tu muson labusan.
Asal ni apa? Cini. Ada ni lah cibohong abang dah apa? Pernah so suspek betul ni. Masih ke jauh, mana ke jauh dia abang ni cini.
Kepon long lelang.
Pon long lah, teng long lah. Oh, bisa bos tu tang pun pe. Mana sekarang abang ni tunjuk bawa hisap cini.
Tangkap ini tu awal deh. Mutela hap ini hang nuk loh. Long on hap hang nuk.
Long drop
deh. Long drop on hap tak sabi hek.
Of late, Chokhihola area has been witnessing rise in the incidents of theft and robbery, and people of the area have also expressed their concern over these antisocial activities, stating that they must be identified and stopped before it affects everyone. Samson Inti from Koilamati and Sonjit Kroos from Chokhihola for Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have for today. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.